So we're going to take apart this HP Pavilion today, specifically model 15-BK117CL. My main purpose of opening this laptop up today is to replace the hard drive in it, but let's see how we can get into the internal components. So when you flip it over, it's got some visible screws that I've already taken out to save time, and then it has some hidden screws, 4 of them being under the feet here. If you peel this off with some kind of small screwdriver, flathead screwdriver, and I've already taken these screws out as well. And then there are 2 more screws here underneath these stickers, so we're going to take those stickers off, and 2 more screws here that I've already taken off. And once all the screws are taken out, we're gonna flip it straight up, open the lid, and use an opener tool to access this top part, which is the palm rest and keyboard. Once that is taken apart and opens up from the sides, let's not pull the top up just yet all the way, because there are cables attached to it. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna open it up and see that there are cables which I've already disconnected just to save time. One goes here. You can just use your nail to unclip this first cable, unclip the second, and then the third. These 3 cables will be disconnected, and once that is done, then you can take away this top portion. Now you have access to everything here. Well, pretty much everything. Memory is underneath the motherboard, and I'm not gonna go that far today because I don't need to. All I need to do is replace the hard drive, which is right here. Here's the battery. So you wanna make sure that you disconnect the battery right here by pulling this cable out. And now that the battery is disconnected, now we can start working on our components. Once everything is done that you need to do, in my case the hard drive, once it is replaced, just reverse the process and close everything up. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment. More videos to follow.